Hello everybody. So almost 7 years ago, I made the video. Let me show you quickly. It's here, snake C++. So it's in videos. This video was made more than 7 years ago, and it's actually had a good amount of views, 2000 views over this amount of time. And let me show you some final result here in the video. So like this. So today I want to make another video, and this video actually around 10 minutes, and of course it wasn't made in 10 minutes. It's a time-lapse video. So what I want to do, I want to make in our snake game difference is going to be I will have textures, and also I will use SDL. So in this game I was using you can see there is no textures, and I was using Glut as like a framework. So let's start and let's make file first. Let's do it quickly. So let me find good make file. Let me take it from my previous video, and I will not explain you the make file. And basically what I need to do, I just need to copy paste and we're good to go. Main cpp and main, and yeah, for Windows I need to do argc const. Actually, yeah, I cannot do const char. I need to do char start argv. I think this thing will work. Hopefully it will work. Okay, and let's do textures. I think visual part is more interesting. GIMP. So I was thinking during the day how I will make the snake game. So what I will have the body of the snake and head and tail. So head, tail, and I will have like one line and turning things. So it's like line and turning things. So I will have four textures for snake, and probably I will have like head with open mouth, something like this. Hopefully I will able to draw this thing. So head, tail, line and turning 4, and opening mouth 5 sprites. And let's have 64 by 64. I think it's a good size sprite. So we will have 5, right? So 64 multiplied by 5, it's 20, I guess, and 64. So we will have like this thing. Yeah, again I forgot about speak. Let me line out this thing with my video screen, and yeah, let me put colors here, basically toolbox here. Okay, so now I need to add transparency. Oops, select everything, delete, and divide it all this thing by 64. 128 plus 64, it's 190. 190, how much? 96, and 64 from 256. Yeah, so here is it. Now let me try to figure out how to make picture of the snake. So I think let me start from head. So this one is too big, smaller, and mode normal. You know, let me add the layer, and I'll make it white for now. Let me swap them. So on this layer, yeah, so let me have it white first. So I think I'll put head here. So it's this, and then it will have like kind of this thing here. Oh, you know, I need to yeah, need to put some more lines for alignment. So let me think. Let's do probably 15 here. Yeah, let's do 24, 24, 25 from this side, and 64 minus 25, it's 39, right? So from this side, I think it's too thin. Let me make it thicker. So 20, 64, 44. Yeah, I think this is good. So let me now erase this thing and start drawing again. Oops, I'm drawing on wrong. Let me remove transparency, remove alpha channel. I need to draw on this layer. So let me add some bumps here. Let snake have some stuff. No, it does not have bumps actually. Okay, let's try to draw the head. Squeeze. So now it will have some eyes here, right? It's too big. So one eye and another eye. So okay, and then we need some turning ones. So it's 128 plus 20, 148, right? And this one is 196 minus 20, 176, 148. Okay, so let's start drawing turning one. Yeah, how I can disable snapping? Snap to guidelines. I can make like more smoother turnings. Okay, now what I need else? I need in our head with open mouth, and also I need the tail. So tail is going to be like this. Okay, so let me select here and delete, and then draw the tail. Okay, what kind of color I want to have for snake? Probably kind of orange one. Orange one. I'm making snake game, right? Oh, I forgot about fruits. Yeah, I need to make it a little bit longer to have space for fruits, but
no, the snake gets bigger and bigger.
Yeah, longer. Yeah, it's getting
why
long.
does this thing go this way and that thing's right there?
Yeah, so I need different parts of snake, so I will be able to assemble long snakes. Like I actually can turn head and these things, but like if snake turning, I need to have like this part, and like I need also have tail and head, and this thing I allocated to have like head with open mouth, and I forgot about fruit, so I need to add here little section for fruits. So
can you make it be 2 videos long?
Can
you make it
2 videos?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want you to come with me
soon. Go alone, okay? Or watch me how I'm making video, okay? I just started, Daniel, so okay, good night. Why it's leaking? Probably I made threshold 25. Okay, now I need to fill this part, and let's make the yellow spots. They actually kind of big. Okay, and let's make Also here yellow spot, and somewhere like here. Now, so I'm kind of filling out all holes because then I was making Flappy Birds. I think I made the Flappy Birds on some places transparent, and the sky like blue color was leaking. So I want to cover all holes in the snake. And now I can test actually. So I can take the blue color, for instance, and see. Yeah, you can see there is a leaks. Let me take again this color and try to fix all these leaks here. So I think I'll just redraw eyes. Okay. So also I need the head with open mouth, and I have no idea how I will make the head with open mouth. So this part, right, and then, you know, probably I can make it like wide open, right, like this, like this, like wide open, and color it with red, like black red probably. I think I need darker color. And probably I need black here to kind of represent the throat, and it has tongue, right? I don't know, something like this, right? And also, does snake have, it should, right? And I think it's have like some pointy, it's fine. Okay, something like this. Bleh. So I need to make image a little bit bigger. Canvas size plus 64, so it's going to be 84. So here I will have fruit. I need scale layer, no, layer to image size, and for fruit it's going to be kind of dark greenish color here, like this, and then like this, right? Okay, now I can delete this layer, and I think we have all pieces for snake. So let's save it. Sorry, export. Let's call it Sprites. Looks good. Okay, so I'll move this thing. Actually, I'll leave it here. Should not be problem. So we have all graphics, and let's do snake. So I will have include snake.hpp, and I'll have snake return exec. Yeah, let's do everything inside the snake, and then I will refactor things. So snake.hpp, and yeah, include SDL.h class snake, and I'll have here, what I will have here, I need the window, SDL window, SDL renderer, and also SDL texture. Okay, and I'll have here snake constructor, snake destructor, and exec. So let's do implementation. Snake.hpp include snake.hpp. So inside the implementation I'll have snake, and I'll need to do SDL init. You know, I will not do checking for errors. You know, I will do auto res equals if Probably I'll make macro. Yeah, let me make macro. So I'll make macro something like define SDL check if res not equal 0, throw std runtime error and put x runtime error d string x plus dl get error. Yeah, I'll do something like this, so I can do SDL check you know, x and message, so it's going to be x and this one is going to be message, and SDL check res equal 0 and message SDL init. So let me remove semicolon here so I can put semicolon here. Oh, this compilation from Flappy Birds. Yeah, runtime error include td except and include string. Yeah, now let me move this thing, have file SDL check.hpp, move once, and I'll move everything here. Yeah, looks like check is working. So oops, with hate, then window, and then renderer, and let's do check SDL check window. I don't like this space here, so let me do without space, and I can add space here like this, and not space like semicolon, window, and let's check renderer also. Then last time I did yeah, let's keep it like this now. So let's have Destructor snake. So in Destructor I need to destroy window, right? SDL create window. So I need to destroy window, and I need to destroy renderer. And actually it says I need to do SDL quit to clean up things. Let's do quit also. So I need width and height, const auto, const static auto 1280 by 720, and exec return 0. So inside exec I will do loop, right? So in the loop I will need to pull for auto done equals false, not done, SDL event e if SDL pull event e. We can process e, and one thing, check for quit, case done equals true, break. Alright, it need to be pointer, good, snake SDL2. So we got window, but you cannot see it because I'm not drawing. I forgot to draw things. So here I need to draw, and to draw I can do SDL something present, renderer present, SDL render present, and let's do clean also, SDL set draw color. So I will have green, right? Green SDL clean is the layer render clear. So let me remove things with Flappy Bird. So there is something with monkey and another snake. Yeah, I think I removed everything. So what I was about to do, run. Oh, I still cannot see things. Oh, interesting. Oh, yeah, so here the green screen, it's too green. Probably I need to make it slightly darker. Not slightly, a lot darker. Like this, probably. And then I need to set up coordinates. So to set up coordinates, I need to do... I do not remember coordinates, right? As usual. So let me pull it some. SDL, set window position, window 65 and 126. Okay, I did set up coordinates. Now let me download sprites. Snake. So to download sprites, I need to do SDL load bitmap. So I need to do bmp and then sprites.bmp. Then let's check for errors. SDL check surface like this, and then SDL create from surface, SDL check SDL, so destroy surface. And actually this one is not res, this one is sprites. Let's see, it runs, and let's make a mistake just to see how it's going to handle errors. So I'm going to put like wrong file name here. What just happened? Oh, here. Yeah, it's crashed, and it says SDL load bitmap sprites bmp could not open sprites bmpf. Very nice error message. And actually, let me catch it here. Try catch std exception e std error. So it will not crash. It will print things. Let me make again typo. Yeah, and it did print error message here. Nice. Okay, so we load the sprite, and snake will have, like, this is going to be actual code for snake, and what I just typed in here, it's everything is going to be refactored. So snake will have coordinates, right? And I want to put it in DQ, and it's going to be pair int. So this one is let's call it snake segment list. I don't like to have you know, to making plural with s, because it's kind of very easy to miss this thing like segment or segments. So I like to have segment list to be more explicit. Segments list. And let's push like some segments here, and list push back td make pair. Let's do like 5 5 5 6 and 5 7. So head is going to be actually at the back. It's our decision. So I want to make head at the back and tail at the front. Yeah, it's just easier for me think like this way. So draw, we will have draw, void draw, snake draw. Let me just draw some random thing just to be sure we can draw segments. Okay, SDL rect r dot 0, x equals 0, r y equals 0, r width equals 64, r height equals 64. SDL render copy x render sprites. So this one is source and destination. Let's make destination same just for now. Source, destination, then direction, then SDL. No, I do not remember. Copy X, angle, center, and flip. And this thing I do not remember. Flip, SDL flip none. SDL flip none. And for center is center, so it's null. PTR. So let's see what it will draw. So we got the head with open mouth. Okay. So let's me assign indices. So I will use indices const static const auto head 0, but this is head with open mouth and mouth 0 static const auto. So what next? Tail 1, turn 2, straight 3, and head 5, and fruit 6. Tail turn is spell looks good. So I can turn things, right? Like if I turn 90 degrees, it will turn. So let's try to draw the snake. So obviously there is a coordinate, so we need to iterate from segments list for auto segment list. So now we need to figure out x and y. So destination x and y, it's going to be 64 multiplied by segment a first, 64 multiplied by segment second. So we should have like 3 segments, but like it's all heads. And why they turned like this? Oh yeah, because I turned it 90 degrees here. Yeah. Okay. So the first equals true if first head multiplied by 64 and first equals false. How I can know it's last? So let's do this thing, auto iter equals. So if iter plus, so I can do this thing, right? I can now compare iter equals begin. This is first. Iter plus 1 equals. This is last. Tail else if iter else if equals. So let's see. Something wrong. 0 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, that's better, but orientation is not right. Yeah, actually orientation I can fix just for representation, just to see how does it work, right? So let me do it's 270, right? Or negative 90. It works. It's awesome. It works. It's awesome. Works. It's awesome. So let's try to figure out the direction. So direction. So if not equal, follow. Is it float? I think it's float. Direction equals 0, and we will put it here. So if not equal, we do next segment equals star iter const auto +1. So this is next segment, and what I can do this thing. So if it's on right side, head is going to be 180, right? So it's going to be array of 3 integers in direction, like let's do d3 like this. 4 directions, -1 0 0 1 -1. So 180 for this one is 0, right? And for this one I need to turn 90 degree and -90 degree. Declaration of D is multi-dimensional. Oh, so 0 3 like this. Auto. And now I can iterate for auto const auto, let's call it these so if segment first plus d 0 equals next segment, and so this is array of directions, right? And then if directions is matching, I will do direction equals ds2 break. So we got direction here for head, d2, okay. And same thing is going to be for tail, but for previous one, right? So tail pref segment equals iter -1. And let me just copy paste everything from here. So let's see, if current segment it's a tail, right? And we are comparing with pref segment. So current segment it's a tail, and previous segment, so tail is, so let's say this is tail, right? And previous segment, yeah. So what I need to do this thing to make it work. So hopefully, yeah, actually everything is swapped. Should I, let me fix it here. Okay, so now this part, so this part is body part, right? Where is it? Yeah, here. So this part is connecting 3 pieces, right? And I need to have previous and next one. So next segment and previous segment, okay. And if next segment x first equals first, means x did not change, it means it's straight, and it means direction 0. Else if seconds are equals, it means also it's straight but direction is 90 degrees. So our case is it's turning, and we just need to know how we want to turn this thing, right? And we can have it like this, like this, like this, or like this. So we can have 4 directions for this guy, and it's kind of diagonal things, right? Let me just brute force it, right? So let's do brute force it. If segment dot first plus 1 equals actually, you know, there is a node, it doesn't matter is it second or right. How I can figure out the direction? So this one might be first, and this one might be previous, like next this one previous, or we can swap, it doesn't matter. So basically we have 4 bits and 4, and on each bit combinations we have direction, right? So else, so what we can do, I can have boolean up, right, down, left, and I can do tests if segment dot first equals segment next dot first and second. So let's check up equal segment next dot second, up equals true, and then we can do same thing for segment pref, up equal true. So let's check right now. So for right it's plus 1 plus 1. So now let's check, so this is for right, let's check down. So for down we need to do plus 1 plus 1, and let's check left, minus 1 minus 1. Now we can have configurations, right? If up and right direction equals, so upright direction equals 0, else if right and down direction equals 90 degrees, if down left direction 180, if left up direction 270. Okay, it should work. I mean segment next, segment next. Let me fix this thing. Next segment. Okay, so there. Next segment first, so x is same, y is different, direction right, we need to turn it 90 degrees, 90 0. Okay, so let's me turn head like, or tail, doesn't matter. So let's make it 6 and 4. What? Straight. Oh, right. Wait, source X. Right, source X is turn. Yeah, it did turn, but wrong direction. Everything is wrong. Should I put negative here? Let me just check my theory. It didn't matter. Upright. Yeah, upright. Up. Why it's upright? Huh? It's up left. Next segment, pref segment. Next. Oh, I need to initialize things. Yeah, so now I need to fix the tail thing. So tail 1 0 head -1 0 and then 90 degrees -1 180 +1. Yeah, like this. Yeah, so originally I was right. I had back here should be like this, and for here it should be like this. Yep. So let's make snake, small snake. Yeah, I think this is good snake. And let's do tick. So snake is going to move. So how I will move snake? So I will have counter here. Right. So here auto hold tick equals SDL get ticks, and auto current tick equals SDL get ticks, and for auto t equals all tick t less than current tick plus t tick, and then old tick equals. Now let's have counter here, signed ticks, and then if ticks plus. So let's move it like twice per second. So I will do push back direction dx dy and dx equal 1. Auto position equals segments list dot back p dot plus equal dx, p dot second plus equal dy, push back p. Why tail is moving? Segment list push front. What's going on? First front. Yeah, head is moving, and push front list pop back. So I messed up. We decide to have back front and front back, and I implemented differently. So anyways, it works. Nice. So let's get the keyboard. So it's here. So how I can get the keyboard? So I will catch only key downs, SDL key down, and then I need to do another switch. e.key.keysum.sum and keys SDL key left break. So for left dx equals -1 and dy equals 0, right? This is left. So let's do from up. Up is this combination, right? It's this combination, and down it's this combination. That's it. So our snake should move. Yeah, it's moving. So let's add fruits. Let's do everything here. Okay. Int fruit x y. So let me figure out the range. Let's do generate. It's a private function void generate fruit void snake. So fruit x rand. So we we divide by 64. Why we height divide by 64, and let me draw fruit, and it's in the draw function. Where is the draw? Here. Dun, 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 dun. So source x equal fruit and test x equals for root x multiplied by 64 y and direction 0. Nice. So we are going for this guy worm. We did not eat it because it's not implemented yet, but it's actually very easy, right? Inside the tick we can do if, oh, you know, I cannot make the fruit inside the snake, right? So let's do it later on. So let's do steps by thing. So if first segment, right? I need to know first segment of the snake. If p first equals x and p second equals y. So we do pop back only if not or not. So if one of things is not equal, we are not doing pop back, right? Or if both of them are equals, we are not doing pop back. Let me comment it out first. Just want to test, will it grow or not? It does grow. Yeah, snake can eat itself, but like it's fine. It is fine. And actually I really like the how it's rendering. I mean, I cannot go back, it's breaking the rendering, but like snake can do really crazy movements. And let's eat more fruits. Yeah, let me regenerate fruit. So if so, where is it? Here, right? Else we generate it, and let me make it slightly faster, so twice faster. And look at this, I can do all these kind of crazy things. I like it. It's let me make snake open mouth. So how I can make it? Yeah, I just do head here, p. So iter first, iter second. So if we on the fruit, else head, and head open mouth, open mouth. So if head on the fruit, it will have what? Oh no, it's not opening mouth. Direction, right? So plus dx plus dy, that's it. Should work now. Class, I like it. So now let's I really like it. Come on, I'm really like it. I'm really enjoying to. And look at this. I can do all these crazy things. Yeah, so I need to avoid these situations. I really like to play this game. Okay, so next thing is going to be generate fruit, right? Here, do while done equal false. So we need to iterate for segments, auto for const auto and segments list, and if fruit x, okay, done equals true, fruit x equals segment first, and y equals segment second, done equal false, break. So it will try to generate fruit again and again and again till yeah, you know what, till. So now let's test if head is trying to eat its own body, so it's inside the tick, and it's basically same thing. Then we moved segment, right? And we need to do, but instead of p equal segment, done false, and yeah, we just do return false. So tick will return boolean. It will return boolean, and here it's can return true, tick. So here we are doing tick, and if not tick, we do return false or like 1, right? So let's try to eat itself and see. So I made mistake. I made fruits actually be part of a key. The fruit equals done false while not done. Yeah, game over. Also, let's check for x and y. Where is it? Here, right? Segment. Dun. If p first less 0 or p first greater, we divide by 64, greater or equal, or p less than 0 or p high, divide by 64, return false. So let's test it. Ding, ding. So actually I can eat myself like this, right? Ding. That's it. I think I made the game. And you know, it's fine. Let me just play for fun. Kind of enjoying it. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, so let me publish this game on GitHub. So let me make new repository. How I can make new repository? New repository snake tutorial snake game in C++ and SDL2. Create repository. So let me do these commands. Git init and let's do commits. Then I commit initial commit. So what next? Git remote and git push. That's it. Source code on GitHub now. Here is it. There is this address. And yeah, sorry, I forgot. Someone Reddit asked me to make the font bigger, but I'm sorry, I forgot to do this thing. Probably next video. So thank you for watching, and let me do font bigger here. It does not making font bigger here. Anyways, it's this address. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.